Alrighty, welcome back to Kris's kitchen. And today I'm going to do pork chops. I'm not sure if I've done these before or whatever, but if so, I'm going to do them again. I got 2 thin cut pork chops. I got my little dry rub. I need to fix some more. And probably do a little bit of onion, and I got some garlic butter that I'm gonna use that to fry it in, and trying to get the kitchen cleaned a little bit, but here we go. Just give me just a second. Okay, I am back. I made a little more of my horsecock rub. Just a mix of garlic salt, onion powder, breadcrumbs, a little bit of flour, just the dry stuff. Set that there. I'm going to kind of put some water on the pork chops, just a little bit. Go. So when I put them in my thing here, all the stuff will stick to the meat. I'll probably put a little bit more on before I cook it. I see that Bill's on his way home. So I started at a good time, I guess. There's the other one. You get a plate. Whoop. Sorry about that. Because these won't take long in the oven. Probably do it in our little oven thing here. I mean, just for 2 pork chops. Flip it over. Cook the other side a little bit more. Alrighty. There's the finished project. Can be reused again. Sorry about that. Had something in my mouth. Ow. He just popped. Let's see. All right. Now, let me, over here, get some aluminum foil. Make a small piece. A little thingamabobber over here. Put in there. Put a little oil stuff on. I just kind of lightly coat it, depending on what I'm fixing. That back up there. Alrighty, that's ready to go. Scoop those there. There. Over here. Don't think I'll need that, but just in case. Get the garlic butter. It's really good. Let me see, we're almost out of it. Do that. That might be enough. Get the lid. It's back in. Set that up so I can see it. Okay. My new skillet I got over at Ollie's. I think it's like 12 or something. It's not bad. I think they're probably 15 or more anywhere else. Okay, let me get a fork. Easier to kind of flip than a I want to get a little flavoring going here. I'll let that melt. Even though it says it doesn't need anything, but I want to give it a little flavor. Okay. First one. These won't take too long to cook. That's good. Put it on medium. And just let them cook there for a few minutes. And I will put on the rest of my stuff away, and I will be right back. Alright, and I'm back. Yeah, flip this over, flip the other one. With them being so thin, they won't take too long to do this and in the oven. So, and he's on his way home, so it should be about ready by then, if all goes well. And it's sizzling there. That small one is for me. I could probably just put these in the oven for at most 10. And that'll cook them. Speaking of, let me turn that down. Our thing preheated between 325 350. Other times I wish I had a digital type oven. I mean, that one is the main one. I mean, like this one here. So, don't want to cook them all in here. Turn that off, let that cool for just a sec. Get the rest of this put up. Some stuff I use most of the time. And other stuff. Okay. That's screwed over. I don't use much pepper, but if he wants pepper, you can put it on. Since they were small, it didn't take too long. Set this right there. Alrighty. So you let that preheat just a minute. And then I'll be ready to put them in. Probably do them 10 minutes or so. Stick them in. And there we go. And I will do a segment here after they're done. Have a good one.